Hello, good people. This is Fundamental People speaking. I'm here with the latest mobile indicator that we are using. Remember, you have to read the Escalpando before, but then we have changed the settings. Now we are using this one because this one looks better than the Escalpando at the moment. Okay, so to set the following, you have to go to indicators. Okay, you go to indicator window 1. Okay, you set your RSI with levels 1990, 1991, 92, 93 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, our period is 1, apply to close and then done. Okay, from there you put in the Bollinger Band. Okay, on the Bollinger Band, apply to weighted close. Okay, from there your deviation should be 1.619 and then the period should be 34. Okay, and then afterwards on the indicator window 1, add you press this indicator window 1, add moving average 5, which is exponential, and apply to close. Okay, then you're done. Those are your indicator settings. It will be something like this. Okay, so now let's talk about entries and stuff. Okay, so what is it that you gotta do? Okay, to show that it's time for you to enter trades. Okay, you'll have something like this. Your moving average should touch the oversold level, then you know that you're about to buy. Okay, when the moving average touches the oversold level, it should be outside the Bollinger Band. Okay, from there, okay, it should be outside the Bollinger Band, and then from there the Bollinger Band should also touch the oversold level, and then they should be wide open. Okay, they should be wide open like this. Afterwards you can take a buy. You just wait for a symbol rejection or a big candle downwards and a green candle upwards, a big candle downwards and then a green candle upwards, and then you take a buy. Okay, even here we don't have a rejection, but then we have a green candle downwards and then a red candle downwards and a green candle upwards, and then you can take a buy. Okay, then let's talk about this one here. You see that the Bollinger Bands touched. Okay, the Bollinger Bands touched the overbought level, but then the moving averages didn't touch. It means that this one you cannot take trade. Okay, unlike the Escalpando will be overbought, but then this one is more better because it only gets overbought when there is a true chance of reversal. Meaning that here, because we don't have an overbought of the moving average, it's only the Bollinger Bands. It means that we cannot take a SL. Okay, so let's check other pairs. Okay, this one we have a perfect sell setup. Okay, we have a perfect buy setup because the Bollinger Band did what? Did touch down, and then also the moving average is out of the Bollinger Band, and then it also touched down. Then we know that it's time to do what? To buy. Okay, then let's check USDJPY. USDJPY also had the same. The moving average and the Bollinger Band were both overbought. It means that it's time for us to do what? To take a sell. Okay, let's check another pair, AUDJPY. Let's check. Okay, on AUDJPY we cannot take a sell here. Why? Because only the Bollinger Band touched, and then the moving averages didn't touch. And then remember, always use 15 minutes chart and then always unzoom. Okay, and then on NZDUSD we only had this one here. This one the moving average didn't touch. Okay, NZD-JPY, this one was better. We had Bollinger Band touching, moving average outside the Bollinger Band, make an M formation, and then what do? We take a sell and then we make money. Okay, this is simple and this is easy and this is nice for us to use, okay, because it's always simple. Also here, another one here, the moving average is outside the Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band touched, we have M formation, W formation, I mean to say, then we can buy. Remember, we don't rely on indicators, so we have to know the price action, okay? But then our price action is different from other people's price action. We look for rejections, we look for M and W, etc. Okay, so when the market is overbought, if we see a big candle downwards and then afterwards we see a green candle, we start to do what? To buy. Okay, so this strategy is better. And then this strategy, when we have let's say when we have the moving averages outside the Bollinger Band and both touching the overbought level, we know that the software that side also touched ADR and the software that side also approved. Okay, so let's do this each and every single time. Let's use these settings and then we will always make money. I'm out, guys. Peace.